Hello guys, back to SHANK'S TV. We're going to talk about a couple of things that happened over the past couple days since the first video release. It has been very bad for me. We welded some parts for my brother's Ferrari. How you say, блядь, это не работало. It did not work, okay? First thing first, I went out and I had to buy this. Anybody know this? Okay, this is for putting out crazy shit. It go down in flames. It burnt my hand, as you can see right here. Let's talk about PPEs for personal protection erection. Mechanics gloves. Not so good for weldings. No. I don't know. I thought it was good. It's not good. So mechanics gloves, out. No more of that. Let's talk about good gloves that we use. We have Vulcan Defense. Vulcan. Can you read backwards? I can't. Vulcan Defense, good. They have good gloves. Apparently, they protect against hot fire lava coming out the ass of this machine. This machine, titaniums from Harbor Freight. Cheap, good, it work, it go, bzz, 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 go. Speaking go, here we go. I welded this one second try for my brother Ferrari. And this is good welds. As you can see, lots of little dots is good, especially up here, because it transfers to this part, okay? This clitoris clamp, no good. You don't want to use. You use this earth magnets magnification certification to hold together of this gestation, okay? Remember this nipple clamps? It needs to be sharpened. As my producer Boris would say, this right here needs sharpened, so I come over here and I go put in here and sharpen more sharpen is good. Careful, wear eye protection. If you don't have eye protection, close your eyes so you don't get the PPEs in your eyes, okay? This 9-inch nails is 25 years old. I don't know. Okay, we're good to go. We take this. Oh no, you see it's sagging. Dog! No dog, no bark. No bark, dog. This little thing need cut off. Now we go and we make this part, the good welds, attached to this 9-inch nails as we go. I cannot. I need protection for the ojos. The ojos protection is very good for weldings and other stuff like COVID-19. No good for lungs, but good for eyes. We go like this, and you has to turn head gangster styles, okay? Okay, let's go. Welding's very loud. Protect your ears. Here we go. Okay, you put the clitoris on the mentoris that is held by the earth magnets mentoris. Here we go. Okay, we weld the 9-inch nails for my brother Ferrari to go fast. Here we go. Ready, set, Ay, 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 go, 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 go. Oh no, you motherfucker. Ah, here we go. Here we go, 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 go. Well, wow, fucking shit. That's my hair. Oh no. No, no, no. Guys, good thing I have this red bottles for cooling down head. It hurt. God, it was no good, no good when hot amber ash from volcano hit your head. No finished job from my brother Ferrari. It might not go as fast now. Eventually it will go fast, okay? Here's the final job. And we will make this car go. We will make it go. And with your help and titanium welders from Harbor Freight, we make it go. And then okay, bye. My head hurt.